Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss the brand classifications. The brand classification can be done in the following manner. The first one, personal brand. Personal brand is how you promote yourself. It is the unique combination of skills, experience, and personality that you want the world to see you. It is the telling of your story and how it reflects your conduct, behavior, spoken and unspoken words, and attitudes. For example, the food site can have a brand name like Desi Tadka. Product brand, elevating the perceptions of commodities and goods offered by the company so that they are associated with the ideas and emotions of the customers that exceed the functional nature of the capabilities. Example, fast moving consumer goods. Service brand is similar to the product brands, but it involves adding perceived value to the services as well. It is quite difficult in some ways than developing a product brand because the offering itself is less tangible in nature. This category includes classic service brands, pure providers, professional service brands, agents, retail brands. Corporate brand. The corporate brand defines the firm that will deliver and stand behind the offering that the target customer will buy and use. The reassurance that provides for customers come from the fact that a corporate brand will potentially have a rich legacy, assets and capabilities, people, value and priorities, a local or a global frame of reference, citizenship programs and a preference record in its overall approach and business processes. For example, Reliance Group or Hindustan Unilever Limited. Investor brand. Normally, this type of brand classification is applied to publicly listed brands and to the investor relation functions. It positions the listed entity as an investment and as a performance stock, blending financials and strategy with aspects such as value proposition, purpose, and an increasingly wider reputation via the facet of corporate social responsibility. Example, top companies in India by investing according to BSE. Public brand. It is also known as government branding, and many would argue that you cannot brand something that does not have a consumer choice and a competitive model attached to it in its overall nature. Example, LIC SBI. Activist brand. Brand activism consists of business efforts to promote, impede, or direct social, political, economic, and or environmental reforms with the desire to promote or impede improvements in the society. It is also known as a purpose brand. This type of brand classification is synonymous with a cause or purpose to the point where the alignment defines its distinctiveness in the minds of the consumers and market as a whole. Classic examples are Body Shop, which has been heavily defined to sell its products with ethically sourced, cruelty free, and natural ingredients, and Benetton, which confronts global issues with an intensity that has made it both hated and admired in the industry. Ethical brand. It is used in two ways. The first as a description of how brands work, specifically the practices they use and the commitments they demonstrate in areas such as worker safety, fulfilling CSR, and more defining than a brand is ethical or it is not. Secondly, it denotes the quality that consumers look for in terms and attributes of reassurance that the brands they choose are responsible. Celebrity brand. It can be defined and classified as to how the famous personalities commercialize their high profile status using combination of social media delivered content appearances, product promotions, and gossip columns to retain the interest of their followers. The business model for this has evoked from the appearances in product promotion ads and now takes a range of forms such as licensing, brand endorsements, brand ambassador roles, etc. Ingredient brand, the component brand that adds to the value of another brand because of what it brings, is known as an ingredient brand. Hello everyone. In this session we are going to discuss about the brand concepts. Luxury brand, prestige and luxury brand that delivers social status and endorsement to the consumer are quite famous among the specific segment of the society.